How are we doing, you wonderful people? My name is Jay, and today we're taking a look at the Vaporesso XROS. Now before we get into the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the little notification bell. That way you guys will receive all the channel notifications and you can keep up to date with all the latest videos. But now that's out of the way, let's get into the video. You guys know one of my all-time favourite pod systems is the Uwell Caliburn and the Coco. Well, Vaporesso have just released the XROS, and it looks like they're trying to dethrone the Caliburn. At face value, the XROS looks like the Caliburn in its design, but with a different style of pod on top. Vaporesso have also added USB-C charging and an adjustable airflow, but does the XROS outperform the Caliburn in terms of flavour? For a lot of mouth-to-lung vapors, the Uwell Caliburn and the Coco have been their go-to device. But will that now change? I want to say thank you to Vaporesso for sending us out the XROS for the purpose of review. I really do appreciate it. But that's enough of me talking, let's take a look at the Vaporesso XROS. In your box, you get one 800 mAh XROS device, one 0.8 ohm mesh pod, one 1.2 ohm mesh pod, and one USB-C charger cable. The XROS is very lightweight and fits perfectly in the hand. The XROS has a premium feel to it and has a lovely chrome finish. Vaporesso seem to have thought of everything when creating the XROS, by looking at other popular devices that have done well on the market. A similar design to the Uwell Caliburn for the body, along with a pod design which has some similarities to the Vape Vinci Air, which includes a filling system that we last saw on the Uwell Crown Pod. The XROS also has a tight push-fit pod, which are held in by strong magnets, which are definitely strong enough for the job. Vaporesso have even added an auto draw feature, so it looks like Vaporesso haven't cut any corners when it comes to the XROS. To remove your pod, simply pull your pod out towards you. And to fit your pod, all you have to do is place your pod into the top of the device. To fill your pod, simply snap off the mouthpiece, fill with your e-liquid and click your mouthpiece back into place. At first, I thought the filling system was a little strange and it could be unreliable. However, after using the XROS for over a week now and filling the pod multiple times, it's been very reliable and it hasn't let me down once. To turn on your device, simply press the firing button 5 times, and to turn off your device, repeat this process. The adjustable airflow is located on the back of the device, and to adjust your airflow, simply slide from left to right. The adjustable airflow allows you to use the XROS as a mouth-to-lung style device or a direct lung style device, and it also gives you the freedom to tailor your vaping experience. The USB port is located on the bottom of the device. Vaporesso have fitted a USB-C charging port on the XROS. With an 800 mAh inbuilt battery and 2 amp USB-C charging, the XROS charges from flat to full in no time at all. But now you know everything about the Vaporesso XROS, how does it vape? Firstly, I tried the 0.8 mesh pod and the flavour was amazing. A very smooth inhale with no leaking or spitback issues. Secondly, I tried the 1.2 ohm mesh pod and again the flavour was amazing. A very smooth inhale with no leaking or spitback issues. Lastly, I tried the auto draw feature on the XROS and it was very reliable. It worked every time with no leaking or spitback issues. Overall, Vaporesso have released a fantastic pod system. It's lightweight, it's compact, has 2 amp USB-C charging, adjustable airflow, a reliable auto draw feature, and produces some of the best flavour I've ever had in a pod system. A lot of vapors thought that the Caliburn and the Coco would never be topped in the pod system market, but I think Vaporesso have managed to achieve it. Even when using the Caliburn and the XROS side by side, I think the XROS is the winner. I would recommend this device to anyone who's looking to make the switch, or any vapor who enjoys a pod system that can utilise mouth-to-lung and direct lung vaping. But I want to know what you guys think. Do you guys like the style and design of the Vaporesso XROS, and would you like to see a comparison against the Caliburn? Leave a comment down below, I love talking to you guys and hearing what you guys have to say. And that wraps up today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, be sure to leave a like. Remember to subscribe with notifications turned on if you haven't already. If you guys want to keep up with my daily life and see the behind the scenes of how these videos are put together, then make sure you follow my Instagram for my daily Instagram stories, and I shall see you guys in the next video. Peace.